Welcome back, beauties, to the second part of our Makeup Magic series here at Best Makeup Hunter. Today, we're diving into 5 brand new, unique makeup tricks you'll wish you discovered sooner. If you loved our first part, get ready to elevate your beauty game even further. Let's get started. Trick 1. Dual Highlighter Mix. First up is the Dual Highlighter Mix. Instead of using one highlighter, blend 2 complementary shades to create a custom glow that changes with your angle. Think of it as painting with light, a secret that adds depth and dimension to your features, making you look naturally radiant. Have you tried mixing your highlighters before? Let us know your favorite combos in the comments. Trick 2. The Sculpted Brow Technique. Next, let's sculpt those brows to perfection. Start by using a tinted brow gel in a shade lighter than your natural color to create a lifted, youthful arch. Then, fill in with a precise pencil technique for a soft, airy finish. This trick highlights your eyes with a bold yet refined look. What's your go-to brow hack? Share your tips below. Trick 3. Color Pop Lip Layering. Now, prepare to make your lips the star of your look with a color pop layering technique. Begin with a bold matte base and delicately dab a shimmer or gloss on the center of your lips. This creates a multi-dimensional effect that's both daring and irresistible. It's like your lips are telling a secret story, one that mesmerizes with every smile. Trick 4. Smoky Waterline Illumination. Trick number 4 is all about redefining the classic smoky eye. Instead of confining the shadow to your lids, lightly sweep a deep, smoky shade along your waterline and outer corners. The contrast accentuates your eyes, drawing viewers into an enigmatic gaze. It's a bold twist that transforms a simple look into a statement of allure and mystery. Trick 5. Custom Setting Powder Blend. Finally, let's perfect our masterpiece with a custom setting powder blend. Mix translucent powder with a touch of shimmer for a radiant finish that holds your look in place all day. This technique not only minimizes shine, but also gives you a soft, lit-from-within glow. It's the finishing stroke to your artful creation, a true secret weapon for long-lasting magic. I hope these fresh tricks inspire you to experiment and create looks that are uniquely you. Which trick are you most excited to try, or do you have a secret beauty hack of your own? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating beauty tips from Best Makeup Hunter. Until next time, stay dazzling and keep exploring your beauty frontier.